Hello student, today we are going to start with Mathematics Part 2 of Standard 10, Chapter number 1, Similarity. Today's topic is Similarity of Triangles. As we studied in 9th standard, when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion and their corresponding angles are congruent. For example, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if angle A congruent to angle D, angle B congruent to angle E, and angle C congruent to angle F, also AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF equal to AC upon DF, then triangle ABC said to be similar with triangle DEF, and it is expressed as you can see on the screen. Out of these 6 conditions, if 3 specific conditions are fulfilled, we can say that two triangles are similar by this specific group of conditions. This group of specific 3 conditions are called as tests for similarity. There are different types of tests. First is SSS test, second is SAS test, and third is AAA test or AA test. Now we will see first test of similarity, that is SSS test, means side 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 test. Definition can be given as, for the given correspondence of two triangles, if 3 sides of one triangle are in proportion with the 3 corresponding sides of the other triangle, then these two triangles are said to be similar by SSS test. For example, in triangle PQR and triangle XYZ, if PQ upon YZ equal to QR upon XY equal to PR upon XZ, then by correspondence triangle PQR similar to triangle ZYX. Now we will move on to second test, SAS test, means side angle side test. The definition can be given as, for a given correspondence of vertices of two triangles, if two pairs of sides of triangles are in same proportion and angles between them are congruent, then these two triangles are said to be similar by SAS test. For example, in triangle KLM and triangle RST, angle KLM congruent to angle RST and KL upon RS equal to LM upon ST, both the proportions are equal to 2 upon 3. Hence, triangle KLM similar to triangle RST by SAS test. Now we will move on to the next test, that is AAA test. For a given correspondence of vertices, when corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent, then these two triangles are said to be similar by AAA test. For example, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if angle A congruent to angle P, angle B congruent to angle Q, and angle C congruent to angle R, then triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Now we will see AA test. When two angles of triangle are congruent to the corresponding two angles of another triangle, then these two triangles are similar by AA test. Now we will see the properties of similar triangle. First property is reflexivity. Each triangle is similar to itself. For example, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC. Second property is symmetry. If one triangle is similar to second triangle and second triangle is also similar to first triangle. For example, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF then triangle DEF similar to triangle ABC. Now third property is transitivity. If one triangle is similar to second triangle and second triangle is similar to third triangle, then first triangle is similar to third triangle. For example, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and triangle DEF is similar to triangle GHI, then triangle ABC similar to triangle GHI. Or we can say all three triangles are similar to each other. Hence, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF similar to triangle GHI. Now we will move on to practice set 1.3. Question number 1. In figure, angle ABC equal to 75 degree, angle EDC equal to 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by a proper one-to-one correspondence. Now if we'll observe the figure, in triangle ABC and triangle DEC, angle B and angle D are 75 degree. Hence we will take correspondence of B and D. Also point C is common between them. Hence we will take correspondence in triangle DCE and triangle BCA. Angle CDE congruent to angle CBA, each of 75 degree. Angle DCE congruent to angle BCA, common angle. Hence triangle DCE similar to triangle BCA by AA test. Now we will start with example number 2. Are the triangles in figure are similar? If yes, by which test? Now in triangle PQR and triangle LMN, we will take first ratio PQ upon LM equal to 6 upon 3 equal to 2 upon 1, which is equation number 1. Now we will take ratio QR upon MN equal to 8 upon 4 equal to 2 upon 1. And now third ratio PQ upon LN equal to 10 upon 5 equal to 2 upon 1. Hence, in triangle PQR and triangle LMN from equation 1, 2 and 3, PQ upon LM equal to QR upon MN equal to PR upon LN. Hence, triangle PQR similar to triangle LMN by SS test of similarity. Now we will start with the example number 3. As shown in the figure, two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. If the length of shadow of smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, then how long will be the shadow of bigger pole at the same time? Now let PR and AC are the two poles and QR and BC are their shadows respectively. The shadows are cast at the same time. Hence, triangle PQR similar to triangle ABC. As corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion, hence PR upon AC equal to QR upon BC. Now put the values 4 upon 8 equal to 6 upon x. Now do cross multiplication. 4 into x equal to 8 into 6. Hence, shift 4 towards the right hand side. X equal to 8 into 6 upon 4. X equal to 48 upon 4 equal to 12. Hence, BC equal to 12 meter. And answer will be the length of the shadow of the bigger pole is 12 meter.